Today, I will show you how to drag and drop widgets in Flutter. I will use a stateful widget in this example. I need a color variable. I will set it to black. I will use a column inside a center widget. I need a Boolean variable. It will be true when the color variable is black. I will add to the column ignore pointer widget, which will use the Boolean variable. I will set its child to opacity widget, which will also use the Boolean variable to set the opacity. The child of the opacity widget is a draggable. It will use the color as its data. The feedback and the child is a custom widget. I will call it Flutter logo container. This widget is basically a Flutter logo inside an Amber container. The drag target will get the color from the draggable and use it to build a container. I will use the Boolean variable to display the Flutter logo as a child of that container. I will use a text button to reset the dragging by setting the color variable back to black. I will add couple of sized boxes to the column to improve the UI. Let's format the code to improve the readability. And now this sample is ready.